Let's talk about the rules for determining the number of significant figures. Now, this can be confusing at times, but hopefully with these rules, it can become a little easier for you. Now, the first rule says all non-zero digits are significant. So any number that's not a zero is always considered significant. Now, when it comes to zeros, not all zeros are considered significant. Rule 2 says that the zeros that come between two non-zero digits are significant. And Rule 3 says that trailing zeros, the zeros that come at the end of the number, are only significant when there's a decimal point. Then there are a set of numbers called exact numbers. These are numbers resulting from counting objects or is part of a definition. Exact numbers have an unlimited number of significant figures. All right, let's take a look at the first example. 65.2 centimeters. So the unit centimeters indicates to us that this is a measurement. They might have used a ruler to measure this number out. So 65.2 are all non-zero digits. So this number has 3 significant figures. 1.0087 grams. This is a measurement. It has non-zero digits and it has zeros in it. So all non-zero digits are significant. 1, 2, 3. And Rule 2 says that zeros are significant between two non-zero digits. So we have zeros in between non-zero digits. So 4, 5. This one has 5 significant figures. 0.000241 millimeters. All of the non-zero digits are significant. 1, 2, 3. And all of these zeros are called preceding zeros. They are zeros that come before the number, to the left of the number. These zeros never count. So this measurement only has 3 significant figures. 620 pounds has 2 non-zero digits. It also has a trailing zero, a zero that comes at the end of a number. But this zero or this number does not have a decimal point. So this one only has 2 significant figures. Now 620 liters written with a decimal place or a decimal point has 1, 2 non-zero digits, and it has a trailing zero, but there's a decimal there. So that has 3 significant figures. 0.003450120 micrograms. This one has non-zero digits and it has zeros. All of the non-zero digits count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Preceding zeros, zeros that come before the number, don't count. Zeros that come between two non-zero digits count. And trailing zeros only count as significant if there's a decimal point in the measurement. Since we have a decimal point, this zero counts. So we have a total of 7 significant figures. 5.0 books. Now, the unit books tells us that this is a number that came from counting. So if I said there were 5 books on a desk or 5 books on a shelf, we didn't use a measuring device. We didn't use a balance or a ruler. We just simply count the books to figure out how many books are on the desk. So this is called an exact number. And exact numbers have unlimited sig figs. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Now, this is just a definition. This is a conversion factor. All conversion factors or definitions are considered exact numbers, and exact numbers have an unlimited sig fig. Good luck and keep practicing.